So guys, the Google Pixel 6a will be the next phone from Google that will sit under the recently launched Pixel 6 and 6 Pro smartphones. Earlier this week we saw the CAD renders of the Pixel 6a giving us the first glimpse of the device. The Pixel 6a may look like a Pixel 6 but not click photographs like the latter. According to a new information by 9to5 Google, the Pixel 6a is apparently going to feature the same cameras as the Pixel 5a, which itself wasn't a drastic departure from the Pixel 4a. In fact, the report mentions that the main camera on the Pixel 6a will feature the same 12.2 megapixel Sony IMX363 sensor that we first saw on the Pixel 3. The 12.2 megapixel Sony IMX363 camera will be accompanied by a 12 megapixel Sony IMX386 sensor that will function as an ultra-wide camera. And for selfies, the device will feature an 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 front-facing camera. So it simply means that the cameras on the Pixel 6a will not be as good as the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. However, there is a good news on the performance front. The report mentions that Google is not compromising on the performance this year and will bring the same Tensor chip that we saw on the bigger Pixel 6 models. To recall, the Pixel 5a came with the mid-range Snapdragon 765G SoC and the Tensor chip is a flagship SoC that competes with the Snapdragon 888 SoC. So it's a good news for Pixel fans because they will get flagship performance even on a mid-range Pixel 6a. As for its design, the render showed that the Pixel 6a will feature a punch-hole display on the front much like the Pixel 6. It will get a dual-tone design on the back with a horizontal camera bar. What remains to be seen is whether Google brings the Pixel 6a to India and other markets. The Pixel 4a was the last Google smartphone that India got. The company hasn't released any of the successive models here. Google, however, says that India will get to see Pixel devices in the future, and we hope this future begins with the Pixel 6a. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.